If this is your first visit here, welcome. Here you can follow my journey of ownership of this great sports sedan from Australia, where it was sold as the Holden VF Commodore SSV Redline. Today I am deleting the chrome upper window trim and replacing it with a factory matte black window trim that came from Commodore Specialties. The reason I do this is because I am a fan of black on red. The car with stock came with a lot of chrome on it, so a lot of it is already gone, and you can see that in my other videos. But what you might not know is that my upper window trim is actually vinyl wrapped in black and still chrome underneath. And after 2 years, it's showing its age. I decided I did not want to reinstall the vinyl and decided to go for a factory replacement. Let's get started. All right, about to sell this chrome trim. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome. So if he's buying my chrome trim, how did I get that off in the first place? As you can see here, I have had the vinyl wrap on the chrome trim for a while now. It's starting to peel and tear off in certain places, and it started to annoy me. So it was time to get the real factory black window trim for the uppers. I already have the lower trim, but it was time to replace the upper. Let me show you how it's done. Put a lot of tape in here to keep it rigid in the packaging, which was good. There's a lot of glue on the side of this box. If you're trying to open up the box and you see tape and you think it's just tape, there's more to just the tape. There's definitely adhesive keeping this secure, and that's to make sure it comes in one piece, which it did. So a little bit of insight. The clips are included. Let's go ahead and remove the chrome trim. What's the difficulty level of a task like this? Well, see for yourself. So as you can see, I've repeated the same process on the other side. Thank you to Mark Wolf for sending me the window trim and for the instructions. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. And stay tuned for more content to come. Thank you so much.